I spend a lot of time thinking about the future, not just what's for dinner, but where we're headed. The inventions we're about to see aren't just sci-fi anymore. They're real technologies shaping our world right now. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the innovations redefining tomorrow. Let's get started. Let's talk speed. The kind that redefines what's possible on the water. We're not just talking about a leisurely sail, we're diving into the realm of extreme velocity, where innovation meets the raw power of the wind. The Vestas Sail Rocket 2, a marvel of engineering, set a world sailing record at an astonishing 65.45 knots. This benchmark has stood as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of speed. But Swiss engineers at SP80, fueled by ambition and cutting-edge technology, want to not just match but smash that record with their revolutionary kite boat. They're pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. Their audacious goal? To reach a blistering 80 knots, nearly 150 kilometers per hour, a speed that was once considered firmly in the realm of science fiction. And the most remarkable part? This incredible velocity will be powered only by the wind, a testament to sustainable innovation. Their secret? What allows them to harness the wind in such a groundbreaking way? It's the implementation of a massive kite, not a traditional sail, that sets them apart. This kite flies high above the water's surface, designed to catch stronger, more consistent winds that are less affected by surface turbulence. The technology could potentially revolutionize commercial shipping on a global scale. The vision of high-speed, clean energy on the water is becoming closer and more attainable than ever before, promising a brighter future for maritime transport. Now let's get grounded, literally, and explore a concept that's redefining our connection with nature and architecture. I'm talking about the Retreat by VIP, a plug-and-play, minimalist cabin, a testament to innovative design and sustainable living. You can set up almost anywhere, offering unparalleled freedom in choosing your ideal living space. It's a 55-square-meter haven, a steel and glass home, fully furnished and designed to immerse you in nature, creating a seamless blend between indoor comfort and outdoor serenity. All thanks to its floor-to-ceiling windows. Built off-site to reduce waste, ensuring minimal environmental impact, it's delivered and installed wherever you want, offering a turnkey solution for modern living. It achieves the perfect balance, blending luxury with sustainability. The Retreat's modular design and efficient construction could inspire solutions for disaster relief, providing quick and comfortable shelter, remote work, or even urban housing shortages. It's not just a luxury escape, it's a model for future living. Imagine homes that tread lightly on the earth, minimizing their footprint, connect us to our surroundings, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world, and adapt to our changing needs, offering flexibility and longevity. The future of housing might just be modular, sustainable, and beautifully simple. It's architecture that makes you rethink what home can be. The metaverse isn't just about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it. Shiku is building a real-world metaverse, blending physical and digital experiences. Imagine attending a conference in person and online at the same time, with avatars and live interactions bridging both worlds. Shiku uses 3D scans, customizable avatars, and digital wallets, all accessible through a browser, no fancy hardware needed. This open, hybrid approach makes global events, education, and collaboration more accessible than ever. The digital and physical worlds are merging, not competing. The metaverse is becoming a practical tool for real life. Delivery is about to change. Meet the self-driving robots from companies like Starship Technologies. These 6-wheeled bots use GPS, camera sensors to navigate sidewalks and deliver goods right to your door. You order via app, track the robot, and unlock your delivery with your phone. They're electric, efficient, and reduce traffic and emissions compared to traditional delivery vehicles. Imagine cities with fewer vans, less congestion, and 24/7 local deliveries. Challenges remain: weather, complex streets, public acceptance, but these bots are already rolling out worldwide. They're quietly transforming last-mile logistics. The future of delivery is small, smart, and autonomous. Weather is the biggest barrier to biking, but the PodBike Free Car changes that. It's an enclosed, four-wheeled e-bike, part bike, part microcar, offering full weather protection and stability. Classified as an e-bike, it's pedal-powered with electric assist, legal in bike lanes, and doesn't require a license. The removable canopy, child seat space, and integrated lights make it practical year-round. It's eco-friendly, easy to park, and keeps you active. The free car solves the main drawbacks of cycling while keeping all the benefits. It's a smart, healthy alternative to cars for city life. Meet Thor by Sealegs, designed in Ukraine. An amphibious, all-terrain rib that drives on land and water. With retractable, hydraulically powered wheels, Thor transitions from high-speed boat to off-road vehicle at the push of a button. No trailer or dock needed. Just drive onto the beach or into the water. It's not just a luxury toy. It's a game-changer for rescue teams, emergency services, and researchers needing access to remote coastlines. The engineering is robust, reliable, and versatile. Thor erases the boundary between land and sea. It's ultimate freedom for exploration and work. The Star Capsule by Anthea redefines glamping, luxury camping, in a geodesic dome with a panoramic sky window. Sleep under the stars in comfort with a king-sized bed, lounge, and even a wood stove, all inside a weatherproof, eco-friendly structure. The design is strong, sustainable, and immersive, connecting you to nature without sacrificing comfort. It's a semi-permanent, low-impact alternative to traditional hotels. The Star Capsule encourages eco-conscious travel and a deeper connection to the outdoors. It's not just a fancy tent, it's a new way to experience the wild. Luxury and nature, perfectly balanced. Hydroflight Sports used to be for daredevils, but the FlyRide by Frankie Zapata changes that. It's a jet ski-like device that flies above water, designed for stability and ease of use. You sit, steer with handlebars, and the gyroscopic controls keep you balanced. No special skills needed. Powered by a water jet from a personal watercraft, it lifts you into the air for an intuitive, thrilling ride. Beginners can fly in minutes, adapt, making hydroflight accessible to families and vacationers. The FlyRide democratizes water sports. Sometimes, refining tech for usability opens up a whole new world. Farming is going high-tech with the Lily Exos, an autonomous electric robot that harvests and feeds fresh grass to dairy cows. It operates 24/7, improving animal health and milk production while reducing reliance on diesel. The Exos is data-driven, harvesting at optimal times for better grass growth and soil health. It frees farmers from repetitive tasks, letting them focus on strategy and animal care. This isn't about replacing farmers, it's about empowering them. The future of agriculture is efficient, sustainable, and automated. Robots like Exos are quietly revolutionizing the farm. The Eovax Goat G1 brings true intelligence to robotic lawnmowers. No more boundary wires, just set up wireless beacons and it maps your yard with centimeter accuracy. Its AI-powered camera avoids obstacles and mows in neat, efficient stripes. Control everything from your phone, set no-go zones, schedule mowing, and monitor progress. It's the outdoor equivalent of a smart vacuum, finally making lawn care truly hands-off. For complex yards, it's a game-changer. Automation is coming to every corner of the home, even the lawn. The Electra Ponto Go is an urban utility e-bike meticulously built for hauling cargo, designed to handle the demands of city living with ease. Groceries, making trips to the market a breeze, or even kids, offering a safe and enjoyable way to transport your loved ones. Think of it as a pickup truck on two wheels, ready to tackle any hauling challenge you throw its way. Its powerful motor, sturdy frame, and seamlessly integrated racks make city errands not only easy but genuinely fun, transforming mundane tasks into enjoyable adventures. Wide tires, upright seating, promoting a comfortable and ergonomic riding position, and hydraulic brakes ensure both comfort and paramount safety as you navigate busy streets. The future of urban transport is undeniably electric, incredibly versatile, and confidently two-wheeled. The Aluna Pergola transforms your backyard into a year-round living space. Its motorized, adjustable roof lets you control sunlight, shade, and rain protection with a remote. Add retractable screens, LED lighting, and heaters for comfort in any weather. Weather sensors automate the roof for safety and convenience. It's smart architecture that extends your home and connects you to the outdoors. Not just a gadget, but a lifestyle upgrade. Modern outdoor living, reimagined. That's 12 inventions pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from wind-powered speedboats to luxury domes under the stars. We've seen breakthroughs in transport, housing, farming, and more, proof that innovation is everywhere. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're shaping our future. Which invention blew your mind? Would you swap your car for a PodBike or dream of an amphibious off-roader? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into tomorrow's tech. See you in the next one.